What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see in the title down below, you already know what we're doing today. I'm going to be giving you guys a hair review as well as a hair tutorial. Now, if you are interested in watching this video, please to click that like button, comment on the video down below, and subscribe guys. Thank you. And as you can see, we are at 500 followers now, and without you guys that would not have been possible. So continue sharing my content, continue liking, continue commenting. I welcome it all. All right, so let's get into this video. So I got me a pack of hair here from Los Mer. That's the hair store name on Amazon, as you can see right here. I'm also gonna be putting the link in the description down below. You guys know I'm always leaving the hair links for these things in the comment section. Now maybe well excited, so I went ahead and I opened the bag already. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the bag. Okay, so in the bag it comes with 7 packs of hair in the bag, and this is how it's sectioned out. And it's the color number 2, and it is called Butterfly Locs. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but yes, I'm gonna now open it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. A little bit stiffer than the ones that I had in before, but let's try these, you know. Let's try them. It's giving a little butterfly effect right there. So if you are the type of person who don't like the butterfly like the really butterfly ones, I think maybe you'd like these ones because it gives the butterfly effect, but it's not as messy. So let's get into this video. All right, so as you already know, it comes with a crochet needle and a little bit of accessories. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with this one right here, and as you know, I'm gonna start off in the front because I need you guys to see how I loop it in. So you have 2 ways. One make it bumpy and the other one makes it smooth. So in order for it to be smooth, you gotta bring it from this end. So I'm going to insert, hold that now. Yeah, I'm going to insert my needle right here, and then on the open end of the hook right there, I'm going to insert this here on to it like that and pull it through. As soon as it comes through, this here is a bit different from the one before. I might have to change the technique because the whole lot behind. So I'm gonna hook this part in here, latch it, and bring it through. It's a bit tighter. The crochet part is not as open, so I'm going to have to open them more. But this is the first one. Are you guys seeing that? This is the first one. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Well, maybe this side, and then I'll come back and show you guys because I know I don't want to bore you guys to death. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am halfway through. I did half already, so now I'm about to do the other half. Now the hair is pretty good so far. It is pretty nice so far. It is actually finer than the ones that I had in before, which is good. I've never really tried doing my hair fine before. The only issue that I have though is that the knot right here that you're supposed to pass the hair through, you have to widen it before you actually loop it. It's not as easy as the ones, it's not as easy. So what I had to do was just to hold this, slide it down a little bit, and open the knot a little bit wider so I can pass the hair through it. But I think it's pretty easy and it's been going on good. So I'm gonna show you guys the finished thing and let you know all about it when I'm finished. So yeah, this is it so far though. I'm gonna do the other side and come back. Okay guys, so this is the end product of the hair. Look at it. I think it's nice. It's really nice actually. Finer than normal. As you can see, that is the reason why I did the cornrows a bit smaller this time, because the hair is fine and you can't have big cornrows for these small locks. So I think I did a better job this time. As you can see, look at it, you're not even really noticing. I can actually catch it up like this and you not even realize that, you know, it's actually crocheted in. So it's actually nice, and I can wear it center part, side part, any way I decide to take it, right? Hold on, let me flatten it back out because it looks too bouncy. Yeah, so the hair is nice. I would say 8 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah, as I said, butterfly locks are a bit messy, so if you are looking for something neat, I don't think you should go with butterfly locks for the long haul. But this one was a good, this is a good one. You can rock this for about 2 to 3 weeks before, you know, it start getting nutty and all of those stuff. But I'll definitely be putting the link for this here in the description down below, so you guys can thank me later. Alright, so go on Amazon and check out this hair. And you never might know, you can sit and style it by yourself, as you saw me using the crochet needle to install the hair, to loop it in. So it's really not that hard. Alright, so go ahead and try it on your own and tell me in the comment section how it came out, and you know, ask me anything. So until next time guys, until next time, bye.